Alright, all you humanoids out there in YouTube land. Do not buy Avia shoes from Walmart. And I'm about to show you why. Hang on. Nothing like a cigarette and coffee in the morning. Well, like I was saying, all you humanoids, do not buy Avia shoes from Walmart. Let me show you why. Bought a pair of Avia shoes last summer in July. Paid roughly between 40 and 50 for them. And then after about a month, you start getting this white film on the shoes. Right here. See, these are Avia shoes. And you get these get this white film on them after about a month. And the white film is hard to get off. You get it right in the creases. Right here. And you get them on both shoes. And then they don't make them right. They don't stitch them right at the bottom. See how they're coming apart here after it's a seam right there. And you can see it right here how they're coming apart the seam. And that happened after about a month. And then when you call Walmart and you tell them about it, they say, "Oh yeah, it's been over 30 days." Well, it didn't start happening until after 30 days. Then you reach out to Avia Shoes and you send them a message about it. And Avia Shoes don't return your message, don't reply to messages. So do not buy Avia Shoes from Walmart.